will make your life easier. I will give you some tricks how to make fruit salad. First, you need a plate. Next, if you have a grape at home, just take your grapes and then put it like this. After that, you put another plate in here. Oh my god, it's a little bumpy. You will do it like this. Let's open it. Ta-da! Let's take the bowl. I'm so sorry, this piece of makeup. I need to put that away because that's dangerous. Yay! It's already cut. Wait a minute. Now the next one, we are going to use strawberries, and then if you have a straw at home, please put it like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? There? The next one. The next one. Okay. Okay. A little bit gross. Hey! What's that? Ding ding. So now I'm gonna cut this 2 strawberries into. Oh, it looks yummy. This is how you do it. It looks a little bit scary. You need to, as an adult, to do this. Except if you already can do it, just do it by yourself. Then I'm done cutting my strawberries. So now let's move on. Ooh, yummy. Soda. Kiwi. Let's put the kiwi in here. And I'm gonna cut the kiwi. Wait a minute. No stickers allowed. Gross. Let me cut it. Oh my god. How scary is it? Now we take a spoon. And after that, I'm gonna put it in here, right here. This one. You do. Oh my god. It is pretty hard. Can you help me now? Okay. Because it's too hard, so I asked my mom to help me. Here, looks like this. Now let's put it in the kiwi in here. So I don't need to cut that. The next one is the mango. I'm gonna ask my mom's help. Okay, so if you're done, you will cut it like this. This is too hard, so I ask my mom and help. And after that, you will cut it into squares. And after that, you will do something with it. If you already cut it to squares, you will do like this. After that, you will cut it into your fruit salad meal. This is how you cut it, Mama. This is my mom's hand. Ooh. Thanks, Mom, for the help. If you're done with the mango, here's our fruit salad. Let me try it. Let me take a spoon. Here's the spoon. Let's try it. If it's delicious, I will give it to you. Mmm. So yummy. Bye guys.